Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening mga Kamiling's TV fan. This is Miling. You are tuned into Miling's TV. Tayo po ay early bird at pumunta po tayo ng SM Makati at tayo po ay mag-attend ng mass. Kaya waiting po ang ating mga kasama. So, 10:30 pa po ang mass. So, yan po ang ating venue for today. Diyan po ginagawa ang Makati Sen office. The same time, wala po silang office dahil Sunday. So, church po ito. So, yan po yung ating place. At first time nating naka-attend dyan ng mass. Ito na po yung last Sunday ng Christmas. So, magse-celebrate po tayo in advance ng ating birthday ng aking anak. So, kaya po tayo magsisimba dahil hindi sila po pwede ng Monday. So, yan po ang ating venue. So, namnamin po natin ang ating church. Try nyo pong subukan dito sa church ng Makati. So, madami na po silang schedule na masses. So, paki-check lang ang kanila FB page.
Then you shall be radiant at what you see. Your heart shall throb and overflow. For the riches of the sea shall be emptied out before you. The wealth of nations shall be brought to you. Caravans of camels shall fill you. Dromedaries from Midian and Ephah. All from Sheba shall come, bearing gold and frankincense, and proclaiming the praises of the Lord. The word of the Lord. Thanks be to God. Lord, every nation on earth will adore you. Lord, every nation on earth will adore thee. O God, with your judgment endow the king, and with your justice the king's son. He shall govern your people with justice, and your afflicted ones with judgment. Lord, every nation on earth will adore you. Justice shall flower in his days, and profound peace till the moon be no more. May he rule from sea to sea, and from the river to the ends of the earth. Lord, every nation on earth will adore you. The kings of Tarshish and the isles shall offer gifts. The kings of Arabia and Seba shall bring tribute. All kings shall pay him homage. All nations shall serve him. Lord, every nation on earth will adore you. For he shall rescue the poor when he cries out, and the afflicted when he has no one to help him. He shall have pity for the lowly and the poor. The lives of the poor he shall save. Lord, every nation on earth will adore you.
Diligently for the child. When you have found him, bring me word, that I too may go and do him homage. After their audience with the king, they set out. And behold, the star that they had seen at its rising preceded them, until it came and stopped over the place where the child was. They were overjoyed at seeing the star. And on entering the house, they saw the child with Mary, his mother. They prostrated themselves and did him homage. Then they opened their treasures and offered him gifts of gold, frankincense, and myrrh. And having been warned in a dream not to return to Herod, they departed for their country by another way. The Gospel of the Lord.
Praise to you, Lord Jesus.
Kings. But the proper name of today's celebration is the Solemnity of the Epiphany of the.
Kung nakarating po sila sa ating pinali ng ating video, paki-subscribe po sa ating channel. Don't forget po i-subscribe, comment down below, like, and Add us sa Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, and Instagram. And don't forget to play po yung ads and video for your support. Until next time po, God bless everyone.